you how to simplify the function and finding its domain. The function here has difference between 2 squared, and here the numerator is 3 terms, can be factorized by 16x squared minus 25 will be factorized by opening two brackets here multiplied by another 2 brackets, and the sign can be put here negative and here positive, or here positive and here negative. I mean different signs. And the square root for this term is 4x, written here and written here. Also, the square root for this is 5, written here and written here. This is the factoring for the numerator. We'll look for the denominator, how to factorize it. 4x squared minus 9x plus 5. Also, we open 2 brackets here and another multiplied by another 2 brackets. There's 2 possibilities to reach the 4x squared times x. Then move to the third term, which is 5. Also 5 can be obtained by only one way, which is 1 times 5. 1 times 5. So if I put here 1, I put here 1. And check that again. When you multiply those together, you get 5x. Multiply those together, you get 4x. Yeah, you see here, when you add those together, it will be 9x, which is the same term here. The signs here are both are the same sign in the middle minus, so I put here minus and here minus. Why I put them the same? Because we got here plus. So plus we got it only if I multiply minus times minus, or plus times plus. In this case, it will be the result plus, and here also the result is plus. So to get the plus here, should be the 2 signs are equal. That's why I put here the 2 signs are the same, and they are the same of the middle one. Okay, I finished now the factoring. So I will rewrite f of x in its new shape. I will write f of x is equal to the new numerator will be these 2 factors, 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. This for the numerator. And also for the denominator, I will write the 2 factors, which are 4x minus 5 this one here, 4x minus 5, and the other one is x minus 1. This is the new shape for the function. Here you see the values of x, which will give me the denominator is equal to 0. We can get it by making this equal to 0 and find the value of x. Then make this equal to 0 and find the value of x. This step will give me the values of x where f of x not defined, because any fraction not defined when the denominator is equal to 0. So these two values we will got for x, we will eliminate them from the domain of x. See here, to find the zeros for the denominator, get the first two brackets, put them equal to 0. For x minus 5 equal to 0, and solve this simple equation. Moving 5 to the other side and divide over 4, so you will find x is equal 5 over 4. This is the first 0 for equal to 0. I mean this, take it and put it equal to 0. This will give you x is equal to 1. That means the two values of x which makes the denominator equal to 0 are these two values. So we will eliminate those from the domain of the function. So after the cancelling, here don't forget to write the restriction for this form of the function. The restriction is x not equal this value. I mean, I eliminate this from the domain, and x is not equal to this value, which is also 1. Now I find the domain and write the function in simple form. Here's function in the simple form is obtained by cancelling those together. You will get only 4x plus 5, 4x plus 5 over x minus 1, and the domain is, as they said, and state its domain. Domain is x belongs to a real number R except x not equal 5 over 4, this instruction, or 1, and this is the domain. This is the domain, and this is the simple form of the function. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.